Welcome to InstaLegal. During this pandemic times, police has been highly criticized, not because they are unable to discharge their duties, but for illegal actions being undertaken, which also involves our today's question, which has been frequently sought advised upon, that is, physical abuse by the police. What to do if police beats you? So the viewers want to know the answer to this question. Let's find out. Let's see what is the law and what are your rights against the police. If any police is beating you, they absolutely have no right to beat you for any reason, irrespective whether offense has been committed or not. Even if an offense has been committed, the police cannot even touch you for the fact they can't beat you because this is against your human rights. If you are being bitten, you need to inform your relatives. The police has to produce you before the magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. And if any beatings are being given to you, then you don't have to keep quiet before the magistrate under any kind of threat from the police because the magistrate is there to protect you. The relatives, meanwhile, can also file a private complaint before the closest magistrate for the beating being given, making an application for medical examination to be conducted for getting the injuries recorded. Unless your injuries are recorded by way of a medical examination which shows the grievous nature or simple nature of the injuries, you will not be able to punish the police who has beaten you. Simultaneously, you can also file a criminal complaint against the concerned officer who has detained you or has arrested you. The complaint is to be made to the senior officials of the concerned officer who did the dreadful act of beating. If the police officer is of a lower rank, then you have to approach to the station house officer. Against the station house officer, you can approach the superintendent of police. Against the superintendent of police, there is deputy general of police. So you have the hierarchy of the police where you can approach and file a criminal complaint. Moreover, you can also approach National Human Rights Commission or your state Human Rights Commission if it's functional in your state and lodge a complaint against the beating which has been given to you by the police officials. Find out if there is any police complaint authority which has been formed in every state. So if there is one authority which is called Police Complaint Authority present in your state, then you can also file a detailed complaint before them immediately after the beatings, after you are learned that the beatings are being given to a person who is detained or arrested by the police. Now, the police has to produce you before the magistrate, like I said, and if you have any beatings being given to you, then you don't have to keep quiet before the magistrate. Any affected party, if at all you are trying to get yourself released from the police or the illegal detention which has been made by the police against you, then you can also file a complaint before the Central Bureau of Investigation, that is the CBI, against the atrocities which a police is committing while you are being detained or arrested by the police. These are the all options that you have to take when the police beats you. Thank you very much.